This is how I make my delicious Sobo drink. Yes, these are the ingredients I use: cinnamon, clove, black pepper, rosemary, hibiscus, which is Sobo leaf. Take as much as you want, but these are the quantities that I use. Depends on the size you want to use. I like to blend my rosemary, all the ingredients, I like to blend them together. But you can just put everything like that without blending it. But for you to actually get the benefit of it, I've discovered you have to blend it. Then I use pineapple also. This is, instead of using sugar, I use pineapple for sweetener. I'm going to peel off the skin because the skin is very useful for it. I'm going to peel off the skin. Then the flesh, I'm going to juice it up, then use it. Yeah, I boil the water. I boil the quantity of water I want to use. Then the blend ingredients I made, I poured it inside the pot. Then I pour the peeled pineapple, the skin. Then I cover it and let it boil for like 3 minutes. Then when it's cooled, let it cool off. When it cool off, sieve it. Before you sieve it, you can pour the pineapple, the juice of the pineapple, you can pour it inside, because that one you don't boil it. You don't boil the juice. You just sieve it and pour the juice inside. That is what you're going to use for this for the sweetener. But you can actually still add sugar if you want, or you add honey. Depends on what you want. You can use anything for sweetener, or maple syrup for sweetener also. Then I bottle it. Then after bottling, I clean up the bottle to make it look cleaner and neater. You can see how many bottles I made with all those juice. Just check it out. See, this you can offer to your visitor. It makes it neater, look finer. It looks so beautiful with this bottle. Now on a very nice day, you can just put your eyes. Then I bottle it and put it in my fridge. Ciao.